Hi friends, today once again I am here with a new theorem, that is Apollonius theorem. Usually students find this theorem bit difficult and its application also. अगर इसका statement पढ़ोगे तो trust me you will leave this as option which I don't want. तो फिलहाल हम नाम पे और उसके application पे concentrate करते हैं. Now, Apollonius theorem, it helps us to relate the length of a median of a triangle to the length of its side. Sir, ये क्या मतलब हुआ? देखते हैं. I have triangle ABC with me. Now, the length of a median. So, let us revise the concept of a median. See, median is what? It is a segment joining the midpoint of a side with the opposite vertex. Now, for side BC, I have taken a point D. D is the midpoint of BC, and when I join D with A, AD becomes my median. So it is a segment joining the midpoint of a side with the opposite vertex in a triangle. Now, this theorem gives us the result as AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 times the AD square plus 2 times BD square. Now, as we know, AD is a median, that means D is a midpoint. So, in other words, BD and DC are equal in length. So, instead of BD square, if you want, you can write DC square also. Still, the application is one and the same because BD and DC are equal in length. Let's have a look at its proof. Now, what is given to us? We have a triangle ABC where N is the midpoint of BC and I joined N with A. So I get AM is the median. So in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of BC and AM is the median. Now what you're supposed to prove? You're supposed to prove AB square plus AC square is equals to 2 times AM square plus 2 times BM square. Now again, this proof is not possible without the help of construction. सर क्यों? गौर से देखो, तुमको AB स्क्वायर चाहिए. अभी AB is not a hypotenuse for any right triangle right now because there is no right angle triangle here. So we need a right angle triangle. So our construction will be draw AD perpendicular to BC. Now because of this, ADB becomes my right angle triangle and AB becomes my hypotenuse. Now whenever we get a right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So here we'll get AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square, and the reason is Pythagoras theorem. Now गौर से देखो, गौर से BD जो है that is made up of two parts, BM and MD by betweenness. So instead of BD, I can write it as BM plus MD the whole square. Now this bracket is in a form of A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? It is A square plus 2AB plus B square. अभी यहाँ अपना A है BM, so it will become BM square plus 2AB, so it is 2BM into MD plus B square, so it will become MD square. Now again, I can write this step, but what I am going to do, I am going to just interchange the two terms position. तो ऐसा क्यों? देखो, अपने को राइट हैंड साइड पे क्या चाहिए? AM स्क्वायर. अभी AM स्क्वायर कब आएगा? When we'll talk about right triangle ADM. अच्छा, अगर ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है, AM स्क्वायर चाहिए, यानी क्या अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? AD स्क्वायर प्लस MD स्क्वायर. So what I am going to do in this term, I am just going to bring AD square and MD square together और BM square को लास्ट में रख दिया. Let this be equation 1. Now in triangle ADM, angle ADM is 90 degrees, so I will apply the Pythagoras theorem. That will give me AM square is equals to AD square plus MD square. Now I will substitute this value in equation 1. So it gives us AB square is equals to AM square plus 2BM into MD plus BM square. I hope I am clear till here. Let's move to the next step. Now we need to get the value of AC square. But AC has become a hypotenuse for which right triangle ADC. तो चलो फिर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करते हैं. Now in triangle ADC, angle ADC is 90 degree. So when you apply the Pythagoras theorem, you get AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. बट गौर से देखो, गौर से DC जो है वो कैसे मिलता है हमें? वो हमें मिलता है MC minus MD. Now when I say MC minus MD, it will give us DC. तो मैंने DC को कैसे लिख दिया अभी? MC minus MD. Now पहले वाले स्टेप में था DC square, so now it will become MC minus MD the whole square. Now it is in a form of A minus B the whole square. So we know A minus B the whole square is what? A square minus 2AB plus B square. तो यहां हो जाएगा MC square minus 2MC into MD plus MD square. Now again see, I want AM square, तो हम लोग रीअरेंज करेंगे टर्म्स को. MC square और MD square की जगह इंटरचेंज कर दो, तो it will become AD square plus MD square minus 2MC into MD plus MC square. Now AD square plus MD square can be written as AM square, so we get AC square is equals to AM square minus 2MC into MD plus MC square. That is the equation number 4. Now let's consider the operation sign between AB square and AC square. What is the operation sign? Plus. So in other words, we also need to add equation 3 and 4. Now when we add left hand side तो बहुत सिंपल है, दो ही टर्म में खाली प्लस साइन आ जाएगा बीच, लेकिन राइट हैंड साइड में थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. देखो am स्क्वायर और am स्क्वायर ऐड होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2am स्क्वायर. Then we get bm square, then you get mc square, then 2 plus 2bm into md minus 2mc into md. नाउ यहां थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. सर क्या ध्यान रखना है? देखो m इज अ मिड पॉइंट, तो इन अदर वर्ड्स bm इज इक्वल्स टू mc. तो ये स्टेप पे जहां जहां mc टर्म आया है वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट इट एज bm. देखो दो जगह mc है. नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ mc वी कैन राइट bm. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, mc स्क्वायर की जगह bm स्क्वायर लिख दूंगा और 2mc इंटू md को मैं 2bm इंटू md लिख दूंगा. सर इससे क्या फायदा होगा? अरे बहुत फायदा होगा. देखो कैसे, दिस टू टर्म्स गेट्स कैंसल. तो व्हाट यू आर लेफ्ट विथ? यू आर लेफ्ट विथ ab स्क्वायर प्लस ac स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 2am स्क्वायर. नाउ bm स्क्वायर प्लस bm स्क्वायर विल बिकम 2bm स्क्वायर. वही तो प्रूव करने का था. हेंस प्रूव. Isn't it that easy? I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If you have liked the video, please share it with your friends. Also like, share and subscribe my channel for the regular updates. Thank you.